Hi everyone and welcome back to another trading day. I'm Johan Malan and today, Friday 15 December 2023, I have a few trade setups to discuss where my favorite direction will be long on the Aussie, the CAD and the Yen, and short on the US, the Swiss and the New Zealand. My first pick of the day is a potential long on the Aussie Swiss, but before we proceed, remember that trading carries risk. Never trade with money you cannot afford to lose. And at the end of this video, I will show you my favorite trade idea for today. So let's get started and turn pips and points into profits. The Aussie Swiss, we can see Aussie has gained a lot of strength and Swiss has lost its almost top spot up there. It's coming down the page at a high speed. So being long Aussie Swiss is one of the better positions. It did test yesterday there, but it wasn't on my list then. Missed that structure there, but forming a brand new structure there. So I've marked this level here in the trade zone between 50 and 61%. Trend is just turning bullish, so I'm just waiting for another potential test there and then a candle reversal, and then I'll take some longs there. On the FTSE, we took this trade yesterday on the live stream, and we had the test. It was on the 4-hour charts there. I identified this. Before I go there, is that I moved this line because in the morning session when I made the video, the market was up there, so the trade zone was lower. But as the market evolved during the morning after making the YouTube video, it made a newer high there, so I moved it there, and from there, so the trade zone then moved into the 61% level at this market structure here. But I did put it on the live stream. When I did it, it was there way before the trade entry, so everybody could have known that is watching the live stream. So guys, I make notes there. You can watch the live stream. If I change my mind to add something extra from the morning video, or taking a trade showing stop losses, targets and everything there, you're welcome to follow the live stream on a daily basis. Today it's a holiday in South Africa, so I will do the live stream, but I'm going to be less available. I will watch it on the sideline, but I'm not going to be as interactive as usually. Then also remember, this is a 1-hour trade. This I will close out tonight before the market closes, unless it's way up there and my stop is well in the money, that I won't lose a lot of money when it gaps on a Monday morning maybe. But at this stage, if it's trading in this range here, I'll definitely exit. But you can watch the live stream tonight just before I shut down. If you miss it, it's there, it's saved. You can just replay the end of the live stream and see what notes I made, what stop losses I trailed. But for now, for the morning, I'm going to trail it too, because we saw a new high there. We saw the Bill Williams fractal there, and it's gone a little bit higher than that. And I see a little bit of a market structure coming in here. Seeing that it's Friday, I'm not going to take that much chance. And it's Friday, and I have to close it in any case tonight 99.9% of the time. So from there, I'm going to trail my stop loss to below this low, around about 65. But I will do it on the live stream once I've done the video, and then you can see what I've done. But it's going to be 7665 at this stage. If this makes a new high yet again there, then I'm going to pull it up there. Our entry was on this bullish engulfing candle here. You can see how nicely we tested the level. I was hoping for a hammer candle, but I didn't get that, so I couldn't do the black candle. Then I waited for the bullish engulfing, then I entered the trade. And you also had time yesterday or last night for that matter to enter on the halfway mark. Remember, on the YouTube channel I just take one trade, but my mentorship program clients knows how to get better levels, where to get better levels, and so on. But mainly it's the sweet spot of the long body there. Right, so I'm going to trail that stop loss. Hopefully we can get another new high, then we can trail the stop loss yet again, and that would be great. But you can follow that on the live stream. So on the FTSE, no new entries, just plain we wait here and sit now and let it play out. Then the Australian US dollar, Aussie much stronger than the dollar. Yeah, it's gaining a lot, the Aussie. On my mentoring program, we've got a very nice end of day long here, which has been running for days already. Beautiful trade. But the retracement back to the structure, that will get me to be interested in longs, providing the Aussie stays stronger than the dollar. Then the Dow Jones, very sticky up there. It doesn't come back. I'm not going to buy anything up there. I'm waiting for the retracement on a weak dollar. I'll still be interested, but at those levels, I'm not buying this. Same with the S&P 500, also waiting for the retracement. If it doesn't happen, I won't trade it, guys. There's enough other trading opportunities in the market than have to be in anything. You just need 1 trade a day, or 2 trades a day, or 5 or 6 or 7 trades a week. And risking 1%, trying to make 2% of your portfolio, that is more than enough gain. That's an extreme high gain. I will wait. If it comes back, then I'll trade it. If it doesn't, I'll just sit to wait for new options. In the Nasdaq, same scenario. Also weak dollar, so all the US markets I would be interested, but not at current levels. I need it to retrace. In the US Swiss, unfortunately, I couldn't get an entry yesterday there. I marked this level there. It did test very nicely, reversed it on the stage. This looked like it's going to make a dark cloud cover, but it didn't close below the halfway mark, so I stepped aside just to see it fall and fall and fall. But right, I'm still happy with that level. So if it comes back to that level, I will still trade it. All I can say about this was not a convincing reversal, so I hope the market sees the same that I saw. So now, the retracement back to that level, I'll definitely look for some shorts on a US Swiss, which is getting a little bit sticky. Not my favorite, because they are in the same color. But as you know, Swiss can move up slightly, and then it's a different color. So I put these on my watch list, but usually when I get to my entry and it looks like this, I'll take half a position or something like that, not getting myself into trouble. In the Euro CAD, nice flag pattern formed. Euro is weaker than the CAD. You can see how it plays. The CAD was just up there now, and the Euro was down there, and now it's coming to closer together. I'm going to keep this on my watch list. If it comes down there, the Euro should drop and the CAD should go up. So I'm going to leave this. It's a nice flag. I'm going to leave this. I need the break, the retest, and then the reversal. Most likely not today, only Monday, but I have to put it onto my watch list to make sure that I don't miss this. In the pound US, pound much stronger than the dollar. Nice strong run. I'm waiting for the retracement, 61% at this market structure. I won't buy at those levels. I'll get interested once it gets down here. Very nice strong trend, consolidation, a little bit of a short-term bear trend, which didn't mean much, but now showing continuation on the pound strength. So unfortunately, pound strength will put pressure on the FTSE, but let's see. The pound was weak when I traded the FTSE yesterday, but now it's getting stronger. That's why it's a bit subdued, the move on the FTSE. But I'll follow the rules and the strategies. One never know what happens. And my favorite trade idea for today is still a potential long on gold. But first, please let me know in the comments below if you want me to make any specific educational videos. Also, if you are new to this channel, find this video helpful, you can support the channel by giving this video a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button so I can keep making content like this. Don't forget to turn on the notification bell to ensure you don't miss out on any of my videos. Now, let's have a look at the gold. The same scenario as yesterday. We still have a tremendously weak dollar. So gold is not flying. It's not flying. It's getting stalled there at the obvious 2050 levels, which is a natural resistance level. So let's hope it can come back a little bit and then retrace back to the $2,000 levels, or 2009, 2005. I've included this level this morning. Of course, the Fibonacci comes in at the 50% level. So basically, it's quite a big wide zone. So it's going to be very difficult trading this, and a little bit risky also, because you never know if it hits the correct levels. But maybe a little bit of a wider stop loss. I'll see by the time it gets there. The trend is also turning bullish there. So on a retest here, I'll definitely look for some long setups. But trading, guys, isn't just about my insights. I want to hear from you. Drop your questions, share your experiences. Tell me which trading opportunities you're eyeing in the comments below. I've been trading since 2003. And if you are eager to take your trading skills to the next level, check out the link in the description to join my mentorship program and support this channel by opening a trading account with a trusted broker from the link in the description, which I've been using since 2010. Thank you for joining me today on this trading journey. Don't forget to trade responsibly. I can't wait to see you in my next video. Until then, trade well.